In this video, what I want to do is to show you how you can build passive income in the crypto space. Now, if you'd like to earn passively in the crypto space, then this video is right for you, because I'm going to be sharing a very important information that probably you do not know exists. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how, even if you're not a trader or if you are not very techy with trading, you can still make money in the crypto space by earning passively. That is what I'm going to be sharing with you inside this video. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this type of content that I put out here. Now let's dive into what I want to introduce to you guys today, and that is being or becoming a crypto KOL. Now, KOL, that is Key Opinion Leader. This is a very passive way to earn in the crypto space. Your duty is just to make sure you have a community, you have a growing audience, or you have people that you can promote to. How you can be able to do this is by, first of all, getting some good knowledge about the crypto space and understanding the basics, understanding how crypto space works. And let's just say you're already in the crypto space already and probably you don't want to continue in the line of trading or in the line of actively investing. You can consider this other aspect of becoming a crypto KOL, and that is to become a crypto key opinion leader. In this case, what you actually do is to recommend crypto projects to your audience, and when your audience start actively using those crypto projects, then they reward you or pay you some commissions. A typical example is recommending crypto exchanges to your audience. So if you have a YouTube following, or you have a sort of audience on X or on Instagram or on TikTok, you can actually recommend these exchanges to your audience, and when they start actively using the exchanges or start trading actively on those exchanges, you start making some commissions. Sometimes they can offer you commissions anywhere from 30%, 50%, and sometimes even 70%, depending on your audience size and how active they are, and also the knowledge that you have. So I know this works because personally I have been doing it for a while and I'm actively involved. If you check through my YouTube channel, you will see quite a lot of links leading to different exchanges that I promoted in the past, and even on this video I'm also going to drop a link in the description to the exchange that I'm going to be recommending. So most of them actually have a deal with them, and sometimes it can be 50% on trading commissions, and sometimes the deal can be as much as 50% commissions for trading fees. Now obviously the trading fees sometimes are usually very small, but it has a compounding effect, and it's something that builds up over time. So the more users you have, the more potential you have in making those profits. So once you sign up a user and they keep trading on the platform for a lifetime, you keep earning commissions from those users. So you can see that over time, as your audience base continues to grow, then your passive income also continues to grow. So it is a very wonderful opportunity in the crypto space that I haven't seen many people talk about it, and that is why I'm sharing it with you guys on my channel right now. So just in case it might pique your interest and you want to learn how you can earn money in the crypto space passively without actually actively trading. So the key opinion leader route is also a very good opportunity in the crypto space for making money. A lot of the influencers that you know out there, crypto influencers, this is basically what they do and how they make a lot of money. Sometimes it's not really by the trades they take or by the airdrops or whatever that they do that gives them the lifestyle that you see. Sometimes it's through this other means of being a crypto key opinion leader. Another good opportunity of becoming a crypto KOL is that sometimes these exchanges are willing to pay you upfront fees to promote them, right? So you can have brand deals either with these exchanges or with other crypto projects in the space. So what you can do for yourself is to get knowledge, learn about crypto, get involved, and start playing around. And if you already have a community, it is a very good opportunity for you to capitalize on. So if you have a community, if you have a growing community of people that are into Web3, into crypto, then this is a very good opportunity for you to start earning passively. So if you would like to get involved with becoming a crypto call, alright, so I have a link to some of the exchanges that I've worked with, so I can easily link you up and collaborate with any of them. But you have to have a good audience already, and you have to get the knowledge as well. So if that is something that interests you, then you can find a way to reach out to me. I'm going to drop a link in the description of my video that you can use to reach out to me, and then I can help you to set it up and get started with becoming a crypto call. Alright, so this is a very good opportunity that I felt like sharing with you guys here on my channel, and I hope someone is going to find this valuable and apply this. Personally, I have been making some good money from being a crypto call. I know it works, and I know it's a very lucrative way of making money in the crypto space. That is why I'm sharing it with you guys. Okay, so let me know if this is valuable to you. Drop in the comment section. And also, if you'd like to join my community, make sure to also click the link in the description to join my crypto community. And if you want me to take you by hand, teach you futures trading, then you're also welcome to join my one-on-one mentorship program. I hope this helps you. I'll see you in my next video.